Hi guys, what's up? My name is Sakshi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna share with you guys my experience of OC classes. OC is the orientation course that you have to do before you get started with your articleship, and there is another course which is called ITT, and so that's also something that you have to do before you get started with your articleship. I am already done with my orientation course, and in today's video I'm gonna share my experience with you all. I did virtual classes. I actually took a physical batch but it got transferred to online one. So right now I am doing my ITT classes and 11 days are done of it. So I'm gonna make a video on it later on, but in this video we are just gonna talk about orientation course. So I did my orientation course first. You can do in any order. I was able to find a batch for OC first, so that's the only reason why I did that first. So first let's just talk about like the general things and what OC really is. So मैंने Delhi का batch लिया था and we had so much fun in the classes. So what really happened in OC classes, like in the Delhi wala batch that I took, is that there were teachers who would come every single day. Like there was no single teacher who would repeat, and there would be like a new teacher every single day, and the main purpose for this course is to enhance your communication skills. So that's like the only reason why I say even ask you to do this course before you get started with your articleship, because for most of us we don't really go to college and we don't get the exposure of like talking to people. And yeah, so in those 15 days they try to like give you something on like how to be like more open with people and like communicate. So that's like the main reason why this whole thing is even there, so that you know you are not a noob at your articleship and you actually know how to talk to people. In our OC batch we didn't really had a dress code. Like there was obviously a dress code, but teachers really weren't that strict, so we just got away with it and didn't really wear any formals whatsoever. But there are so many batches in which you just have to wear like formals, and yeah, we didn't really have to do that. So it just varies from place to place and actually from batch to batch. So in one Delhi ka batch there are people who are not wearing formals and it's fine, but again there is another Delhi ka hi batch in which you just have to wear formals, so it's like really different for everybody. Other than that, the teachers would come and they would tell us so many things. So we get a booklet, so it's like a PDF only. So in that PDF every single thing is mentioned, like on which day what is going to happen and like how the classes are going to proceed. So yeah, we just had to like check with it, and so yeah, we just had the entire schedule in our hand. And so the teachers would come and वो हमें बोलते थे कि तुम खुद को introduce करो. Like they were totally comfortable with कि तुम हिंदी बोल रहे हो या English, but obviously it's always preferred कि तुम English में बात करो. So there were so many teachers who were like totally fine with it, and some did ask कि English में ही बोलो, and some of those teachers did ended up correcting us कि ऐसे नहीं बोलना है, ये बोलना है, ये चीज़ पहले आनी चाहिए, उसके बाद ही आनी चाहिए. So like they were just like guiding us कि तुम जब इंटरव्यू देने जाओगे आर्टिकलशिप के लिए तुम्हें कैसे वहाँ पे खुद को प्रेजेंट करना है, and you should always know how to introduce yourself. And that in particular was the main thing that they taught us in that. So on every single day a new teacher would come and they would tell us about office ethics, and there were communication classes. There were like so many things that you will be able to learn in your OC batches. And जो teachers आते हैं वो हमारे questions भी लेते हैं. If you want to like appear for both groups, or if you should give single group, and like classes कहाँ से लेनी चाहिए, and articleship के साथ final की preparation कैसे करनी है. So like they would answer all your questions. So you just always have some sort of confusion कि एक group देना चाहिए या दो देने चाहिए, और कैसे पढ़ना है, क्या पढ़ना है, क्या important है कि ICI का material कितना देखना है, और किस किस सब्जेक्ट में तुम्हें बिल्कुल ICI के मटेरियल पे रिलाई नहीं करना चाहिए और किस में पूरा करना चाहिए. So those were some of the things that they were discussed in my OC batch, and the batch was really fun. So the main focus of the batch was just to make people comfortable talking to other people, and there were so many breakout rooms that were made. We were just given topics to discuss on, and we would discuss on those things, and there were markings, and even one group would give marks to the other groups, and then there would be a winning group and like all of that stuff. So yeah, like the overall experience of OC batch is very different from what you get in an ITT batch. We didn't really had any exam, maybe because we were online, but I'm very sure the batches that are starting now are having assignments and like you have to create PPTs and all of that stuff. But for the OC batch that I took, I didn't really have to do anything. We would just like come and talk and discuss things, and trust me, it was a really nice learning experience for me. I got to know so many things, and It was just fun, to be honest. So my batch timings were from 10:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. and to be honest, I didn't really like the timings, but that's the only one that I was able to get in Delhi, so I just ended up with that. And there were so many people from different states in India that were a part of that batch, and so yeah, it's like totally fine if you are comfortable speaking in Hindi as well as English. You will be able to like survive, I would say. So yeah, that's all for my OC experience. Now I'm just gonna take some of the questions that you guys have given me on my Instagram, and I'm just gonna answer those things that you guys are asking me to answer. Also, if you do want to be a part of these things in the future, you know the drill, just go and follow me on my Instagram. It will be linked in the description bar below. Okay, so now the first question that we have is charges of this particular course. So for OC course, you have to give 5,500 rupees, and like the payment and all of that stuff is online only, and you just have to go on the portal and just like make the payment, and then you will just get all the information in your mail, and you then have to like submit some documents so that they can authenticate you and that you are really ready to take up that batch. If you do end up finding any difficulties with it, just like DM me on Instagram, I will help you out with it. Okay, so the next question that we have is, which one do you think is better to do first, ITT or orientation? So to be very honest and like speaking from the bottom of my heart, I think you should do ITT first. You just have to learn stuff like MS Excel, PowerPoint, Access, and like what else is there, Word. तो मैं बस उसमें वो सिखाते हैं कि कंप्यूटर पे कैसे काम करना है. तो it is a bit more on the boring side as compared to just like having a group discussion and talking about random topics. So obviously I would say keep just get done with the boring first. So do ITT first and then do the orientation. But again, trust me, just like take up whichever batch you are able to get, because batches बहुत ज़्यादा जल्दी fill up हो जाते हैं and you don't really end up getting a batch that you want and like in the state that you want. तो जो भी मिल रहा है वो फटाफट से लेके ख़त्म करो and just like get done with it. So the orientation is for 15 days and ITT is also for 15 days. So in total you have to do this course ICITSS for 30 days and you are done with it. And then you can start with your articleship. So this is what you have to do before you get started with your articleship when you are coming from the foundation route. But if you are a direct entry student, you have to do first these two things and then start with your articleship and then give your inter-K exams. So that's how you're supposed to go for it. Okay, so the next question is to tell them everything like timings, PPTs, tests, etc. and like all of that sort of stuff. So the thing is so the timing depends on the type of batch that you take. Like I took 10:30 to 5:30 wala, so those were my timings. And PPTs, we didn't really have to make any PPT. So there are so many more studygrammers who are doing OC classes abhi. So those people are getting PPTs to make, but I personally didn't had anything to do. So the batches that are starting now, they have to like create PPTs and stuff. So I can't really say about that. But I am very sure अब आगे के batches में they are gonna ask you to make PPTs. And yeah, also class में वो सब कुछ समझाते हैं, तो मैं वो कुछ ऐसे नहीं बोलेंगे just like make this PPT and come back tomorrow. They are gonna tell you कि PPT कैसे बनानी है and like they are gonna form groups and just like make it as interactive as possible. So that's really fun. And trust me, you get to make a lot of friends if you are willing to make friends, you know what I mean. So as in like CA में you don't really have that many friends unless obviously you have done coachings with them और तुम उनके साथ school में थे, तो or maybe in college. So like these things are like very less, and for the most part CA students don't really have that many friends, or at least I don't have that many friends. So OC में आके I have made so many friends, and it's not like we are like constantly talking to each other, but I know that they're there and they know that I am here for them. So it's like really nice that you get to make bonds and people can actually understand you. That's like really nice. And trust me, अगर तुम OC या ITT कर रहे हो तो try and make friends as much as possible. OC में friends बनाना is way more easier than ITT में friends बनाना, because everybody is very much busy in their own things and just like completing assignments. क्योंकि अभी यही हो रहा है मेरे साथ. Yeah, I'm not very sure कि तुम्हें ITT में कि तुम्हें ओरिएंटेशन में ऐसा कुछ करना भी होता है या नहीं, क्योंकि मेरे को नहीं करना था तो मुझे नहीं पता. So I think that's pretty much all for orientation course. I think that I did end up including everything that was there. If you still have any more questions, just leave them in the comments bar below and I'm gonna go and answer every single one of your questions, or even make another video for you guys. Just like comment below, let me know if you have anything else that you would like to know about this course. So guys, with that we have come to an end to this video. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Please make sure that you hit that subscribe button if this video was helpful for you guys. And if you have any other video requests, just like leave them in the comments bar below as well. And I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.